I can't see the tail yet.
Yeah,
Holy crap!
that's huge.
Good depth.
Yeah, I came right off.
Nice. I'll grab you with you. 1 minute
That was quick.
at 120. Nice.
Got a little bit of weight to him. Yeah. Oh. I think it's spring.
He's almost keeper size for spring, man. Oh yeah, he's keeper size. He's a coho, isn't he?
I think that is a coho.
Bring him close. We'll just deal this way.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Yeah, I think that's a coho.
Big hatchery coho.
Is it a hatch? Whoa.
You see an adipose?
Yeah,
You do?
I think so.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. He's a beaut though.
He is a beaut. Beautiful coho.
Just so big.
Like that.
I don't even see him yet. Oh. Oh,
Big coho.
that's a big coho, yeah.
Big wild coho.
Dang. All right. He's big.
Wild, but yeah, he's wild.
Oh, oh, is that a? Oh, it is a coho.
Is it? I can't see the tail yet.
Yeah.
Holy crap!
That's huge.
And so silver.
So huge. That's like.
I don't know, man. That's a monster coho, bro. Oh. Oh. Wow.
All right.
You're gonna be a... Yeah. Oh, he's hooked hard. There we go. Come on, bud. There he goes.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
160. Lots of activity below us. Dawn is already on.
Oh, it's decent. Yeah, he's nice fish. Big coho. I think I saw a big white mouth.
I'll put it in neutral here.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, the rod's up, so. Where are you? Oh, that's a nice, another big coho. And that's another big coho. That's a hatch. I think he's a hatch. Hold on. Let's see one. Oh no, he's wild.
He is?
Yeah, he's getting a little. Yeah.
Another big coho, jeez. Yeah, really thick. Bait below 200.
All right, you're up.
Man, lots of good stuff going on.
Awesome fish. Go, Mike. Go.
Oh, I got that lost.
Go. I don't give a shit.
Oh, off the cliff. Nice.
I'll grab the rigger, man.
How's it feel? Oh, he's good, John. Take this one.
No, go ahead. Go ahead. The last one was a double header.
Yeah, this one is a, This one's got some weight.
Good. Jesus, he might be a springy Mike. Looks a little bit heavier than the other one. Yeah, he's quite Oh man. Oh. Lots of spring. Yes. Come on, bud, swing.
I don't think we're tangled, are we? I think so. Oh. Well, yours is fighting on its own. Oh. Maybe. Maybe the fish just crossed again. Yeah, I think he did. There you go. There you go. That's all. Oh, yeah. Yeah, fish on? Yep, yep.
These might be good, man. Oh, coho? Yeah, it looks like coho.
Yeah, it's a coho.
Hopefully it's a hatch.
Oh, yeah, he's a big one. Wow, I think I see an adipose. Yeah, there's an adipose. Yeah. It's a coho. Oh, let him go. He's a big one, though.
He's a big fish.
Grab that. How's your, you still have your lock? Yep. Wow. He's gone.
Nice. Nice fish.
Can we get that rigger out of the way? Or you good?
Ah, you do okay.
Coho. Another coho. Wild, wild.
out.